Do you know about the SEC lawsuit against Ripple? According to the latest news, a telephonic conversation between Ripple and the SEC has been set for May 21st. XRP lovers are in grave anticipation. Nevertheless, the increment in the value of XRP seems to have no bounds. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be discussing the price prediction of XRP by the end of 2021. We'll also ponder over its technical analysis. Will it go to the moon? So stay till the end of the video to get an outlook of the overall status of XRP, both in the cryptocurrency market and among the public. Do you know what helps this channel the most? Your support. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Without any further chit-chat, let's get going. The sensational news regarding XRP would definitely be the SEC lawsuit against Ripple. The Securities and Exchange Commission filed a case in December 2020 against Ripple Labs Incorporation and two of its executives, who are also significant security holders. The SEC alleged that they raised over $1.3 billion through an unregistered ongoing digital asset securities offering. They claimed that the virtual tokens were sold illegally. But the interesting fact was that even though Ripple was drenched in a case like this, the price of XRP soared high to approximately an increase of 100% for the first quarter of 2021. Ripple's XRP sales skyrocketed to $150 million in the first quarter of 2021, which is far more than the gain of $76 million in the fourth quarter of 2020. Here, we witness an increase of 97%. The crypto was affected adversely following the lawsuit and lost 50% of its value just 48 hours after the filing. It was a period of time where the crypto market was filled with fervor on Bitcoin's bull run, while XRP, one of the most popular altcoins around, was experiencing a fallback. Nevertheless, the next 4 months was a time of glory for XRP, and the critics had to take back their own words. Due to the aftereffect of the lawsuit, the crypto traded at 26 cents 2 days after the case was filed, but by the middle of April, the value had increased to $1.38. It is surprising to note that the lawsuit has fueled the crypto's hike more than anything. Other factors like ecosystem development strategies, sentiments of the public have also contributed to the increment. On 6th April, the defendants were granted access to the SEC's documents and discussions about whether XRP tokens were similar to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether. After this incident, the crypto hiked by 72% in 48 hours. Between 9 and 10th April, Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn stated that the individual defendants' personal financial records are mostly irrelevant to the case, so their claim was ruled out. However, XRP managed to surge almost 35%. Finally, on the back of the defendants filing motions to dismiss the SEC's amended complaint, XRP again climbed by 32% over 2 days. This year has witnessed a massive bull run for altcoins, Bitcoins and Ethereum. The price of Dogecoin is being amplified to unimaginable new heights by the tech king Elon Musk. Also, Tesla is investing in Bitcoin and has bought $1.5 billion worth. So, cryptocurrency has become the new trendsetter in the investment industry. With mass adoption and popularity, we cannot deny the hike in the prices of cryptocurrencies. Wrapped in all these prestigious moments, it is expected that these cryptocurrencies would never go sideways to disappoint people. But in the case of XRP, we cannot predict its movements precisely because of the ongoing issue with the SEC. As stated before, it had made a leap to higher prices owing to the circumstances created by the SEC. The case is still going on. What if the case is won in favor of the SEC? Then this might affect the price of XRP in an undesirable manner. The current price of over $1.50 might go down to 20 or 10 cents. People are skeptical as to the impending result of the SEC lawsuit that started 6 months ago. If we religiously follow the steps in making the two most popular cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, skyrocket, then it is possible that the price of XRP too can be hyped, and that would result in a price gain of about $2. This will only happen if the SEC case didn't come out. We know that about 47 banks extend their support to Ripple's solution to build an RC platform. If the global banking system came to a deal, we could potentially see $10,000 to $35,000 per coin on RXP. This is a hypothesis put forward by Jimmy Valley, the managing director of Far Hill Capital. This is quite impossible because the current value of XRP hovers around $1.50, and even if we take a leap of 5 years from now, I don't think the price will even hit $1,000. So be realistic and don't fall for such vague finalizations. These are just fantasies. There is a lawyer on YouTube who runs a channel named Legal Briefs. He posts videos on XRP price prediction and every latest news related to XRP. The speciality of his videos is that he wouldn't give out much disappointing news about XRP in order not to disappoint his audience. But on the other hand, he plays the game well, as he is honest about his conclusions. According to his opinion, the XRP lawsuit could settle any time. There are many reasons for it. The XRP case was filed during the time of the old chairman, and now the chairman has changed. And there is speculation that he might bring forth certain amendments to settle down the case. Before the discovery, which means before presenting the case of either party and approaching a lawyer, the case could go for a settlement. It might take 6 to 9 months for that settlement to actually come into effect. It would be better if both the parties agree to a mutual settlement that will end the case as soon as possible. Or if they decide to go to the court, attend the trial and give for an appeal, then it might take too long as 2 years to get this done. So people might get frustrated and may even sell their XRP coins before the settlement. On the 22nd of May 2017, XRP reached a high of 17.63%. The XRP price jumped above $1.50 on 30th April 2021 after a gain of nearly 15% that occurred in the previous day. The total market cap of the world's fourth largest digital currency crossed $70 billion for the first time since January 2018. There are around 45.4 billion XRP coins in circulation. The maximum supply is 100 billion coins. While Bitcoin, the dominating cryptocurrency in the world, has a decentralized platform, uses a centralized committee of validators. XRP reached an all-time high of $3.84 back in January 2018. It is worth mentioning here that most of the XRP holders are outside of the United States. At the start of the year, the price of XRP was $0.22 and increased to $0.58 by the end of March. Experts, on the basis of technical analysis, claim that XRP underwent a short-term resistance in the $0.6 to $0.65 range, on the way to $0.83. Digital Coin Price, which is an investment analysis platform, believes that the world will see the price of XRP undergo a series of peaks and troughs before leveling out in August this year. The Ripple SEC lawsuit is expected to continue until 2022. People expect that the outcome would be in the favor of Ripple. In such a scenario, the XRP price is expected to propel at a higher pace. Ripple is also expected to work with more European and Latin American banks who will further promote both XRP and Ripple payment technology. Such advantages could lead to significant price changes in the token price of XRP. Trading Beasts has given out a positive prediction on XRP. They predict that XRP might hit $1.72 by the end of the year, and moreover, the price may surge more highs by the middle of 2022 and decline to close to $1.4 by the end of the year. PrimeBT gave out an extreme bullish prediction that XRP might hit $4 by the end of 2022. Interestingly, the platform predicts the price to hit a 3-digit figure in 2023, hitting nearly $160 and plunging slightly to $140 by 2024 to 2025. Coinpedia has a Ripple price forecast of $1.20 by the end of 2021, with a bullish case of $2, as it's expected to expand into more countries this year and double its business inflows from $2 million. Lots of crypto analysts and speculators think Ripple has a big future, making it an attractive option for new and established traders. In March 2021, Ripple announced that the central bank digital currencies are framing the creation of private ledgers based on the public XRP ledger. Ripple has perhaps the best backing by financial institutions out of the entire cryptocurrency market. In some circles, it's liked more than Bitcoin. Altogether, XRP has the potential to rise as the most sought-after cryptocurrency. It is apparent that the SEC's case is weak, and there is growing optimism that Ripple can win the case. This has put the price of XRP on an upward trajectory, which it still seems to be riding. So we've come to the end of the video. I hope you found it informative. If so, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon so you'll be notified the moment we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.